Hi guys, welcome to Mark's Home Kitchen. So today I'm going to make a Biscoff cheesecake. If you're a fan of Biscoff Biscuits, then this is a dessert for you. It's got a cheesecake filling infused with Biscoff spread, so let's get started. Now we're going to take 300 grams of Biscoff Biscuits and we're going to blitz them in a food processor until they're a fine crumb. Then we're going to go over to our cooker, and into a saucepan we're going to take 125 grams of unsalted Kerrygold butter and melt it over a low heat. Now we're going to add the biscuits to the butter and stir well to combine. Now folks, if you enjoy my videos, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for notifications. It does help that I can make further videos for you. So now we're going to take the biscuit mix and we're going to place it into a greased or buttered springform tin and press down firmly, and then we're going to put the mixture in the fridge for about an hour just to harden. So now into a clean bowl we're going to add 500 grams of cream cheese, 250 grams of Biscoff spread and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and we're going to whisk that until it's very smooth. So now that we've got that whisk, we're just going to set it to the side and we're going to take a separate bowl and we're going to add 300 milliliters of double cream and we're going to whisk that until it's thick. So now that the cream is whipped, we're going to take the Biscoff mixture and we're going to add the fresh cream and fold them in until they're well combined. So now we're going to remove the biscuit base from the fridge and we're going to spread the Biscoff and cream cheese mixture evenly over the top. We're going to refrigerate them for 6 to 8 hours, but preferably overnight if you can. Now once the cheesecake's set, we're going to remove it from the tin and we're going to decorate it as you like it. I've just piped cream onto mine, then I've covered it with some crushed Biscoff biscuits and I've melted some Biscoff spread in the microwave and just poured it over the top. So now that we've finished decorating the Biscoff cheesecake to our liking, it's time to serve. Now the best way to have this is a rather large slice onto a plate with a big dollop of fresh cream. Now folks, if you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in my further videos.